Should you buy a ukulele from Amazon? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons not to buy a ukulele from Amazon. Welcome to Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. We're going to roll with that. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you never miss maybe even a video just to entertain yourself. But anyway, we provide a lot of great videos here on ukulele, tutorials, reviews, challenges, and giveaways. All right, Amazon, the king of the world with online shopping. I use Amazon. I'm sure everybody, well, not everybody in the world, but a lot of people use Amazon for a variety of things. But should you buy a ukulele from Amazon? And I want to give you 5 reasons why you should not buy a ukulele from Amazon. And I'm also going to give you some options and teach you a little bit about where you can buy a ukulele. And if you haven't figured that out already, that's store.ukelikethepros.com. But anyway, I appreciate you being here. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. All right, shall we dive into it? Let me give you the 5 reasons why not to buy a ukulele from Amazon. Number 1, Amazon is not a ukulele store. So why would you buy a ukulele from a non-ukulele store? I mean, I would say ukuleles is probably the farthest thing from Amazon's business model. And although you can get ukuleles on Amazon, why would you buy a ukulele from Amazon? I'm not going to go to Amazon to buy a car, or I guess that's a good example. So why would you go to Amazon to buy a ukulele? You shouldn't. They're not a ukulele site. Don't get your ukulele from Amazon. The number 2 reason you shouldn't buy a ukulele from Amazon is because, yes, they are cheap in price, but they are also cheap in quality as well. I mean, for one thing, you're not going to get a Koloha on Amazon. But yes, even do this if you don't trust me. Go to Amazon and you can Google ukuleles, and then you can search from the highest to the lowest. You're going to see some up in there are a couple up over $1,000. Crazy. Crazy that you would just randomly buy one from Amazon. But here's a reason too. There's so many people, so many companies selling stuff on Amazon. A lot of them are Chinese companies. And if you really search the titles, you're going to realize they're trying to SEO the product. And if you don't believe me, check out this. I had to grab my laptop for this. This is too good to pass up. I went to Amazon, I typed in ukuleles, and I went from high to low price. And there was a few that popped up in the over $1,000 range, which I don't know why you would buy a ukulele for that price there. Most of the brands are from China, by the way. That matters to some people. But as I searched down, not too far down, in about the $800 range, check out this title, all right? Check this out. Ukulele for beginner professional 23 inches concert ukulele, spruce wood uke, Hawaii, kids, small guitar with gig bag for adults, students, beginners, ukulele with bag. I cannot make that up. That is right here. And that's all SEO that's trying to get you to go to that page. They had no idea what they're even talking about. So why would you buy a ukulele from Amazon? All right, number 3 of why you wouldn't buy a ukulele from Amazon. Well, 1, it's not as free as you think. Even if you're a Prime member, you might get free shipping, but a lot of those to try to ship them back, you would have to pay for that, especially if it's just because you didn't like it. That right there could eat up pretty much. I mean, that could just cover the whole cost of the ukulele right there, just trying to ship it back to Amazon. But here's another thing. They don't do anything for the ukulele. They literally pick the ukulele off the shelf and they pack it up and they ship it to you. They don't check for defects, for flaws, for buzzing, action, nothing like that. They just literally pack it up and send it to you by somebody that doesn't probably even know anything about ukuleles. So why would you buy a ukulele from something or someone like that? All right, number 4 reason why you shouldn't buy a ukulele from Amazon. By the way, how you liking this so far? Put a comment below. Have you had a bad experience buying a ukulele from Amazon? The reason I know this is because at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 store online, I get phone calls from people that buy ukuleles from Amazon and how disappointed they are in the quality of them, and the way they sound, and the way they play, and stuff like that. So leave a comment below if you've had an experience like that. All right, number 4, ukuleles require options. So what about if you want strap buttons put on? What about if you want to have a custom setup? What about if you want a pickup? What about if you need these things? Guess what? Amazon does not offer any of these things. You're going to literally get the ukulele as it is, picked off a shelf by a non-ukulele expert, like I said earlier, shipped to you without anything. So you have no options. Most of the time, you're going to want some kind of option on your ukulele, strap buttons, a setup, or something. So there's another reason right there. All right, and then the number 5 reason is, I kind of mentioned this earlier, there's no high-end brands on ukulele. You're not going to find a Koloha, Romero's Creations, Guitarlele, Kamaka. I mean, you're not going to find even brands like Kala and Ohana that do specialize in an entry-level and mid-line ukuleles. They may have a couple up on Amazon, but very few. It doesn't even have the wide selection that you have. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of the companies you see on Amazon are Chinese companies trying to break into the ukulele market and sell the ukuleles. So, yeah. What happens when you're ready for a real instrument? Guess what? Amazon cannot help you. All right, so I gave you 5 reasons why not to buy a ukulele from Amazon. Now, here's a solution right here. I've already mentioned earlier. By the way, thanks for being here and smashing that like button. Is store.ukelikethepros.com. Now, yes, that is my store. So would I be bagging on Amazon to send you to my store? Well, yes, I would. But there's a reason for that. One, we're a ukulele store. We don't sell books. Well, we do sell some ukulele books, but we don't sell like basically everything under the sun. We sell one thing. Our main thing is we sell ukuleles. We specialize in ukuleles. I have special partnerships with all the ukulele brands, and I'm able to offer you the best ukuleles around. So there's one reason. Number 2, every instrument, well, first of all, you get the Uke Like the Pros Advantage. So what does that mean? You get the Uke Like the Pros Advantage. That means every instrument is taken out of the box. It's looked at, it's inspected, it's played, it's tuned up to make sure any kind of buzzes, has any kind of issues, any kind of big flaws in it. And guess what? If it does, we're not going to send you that. We're going to get another one and pick you one that's right. So you know when you get a ukulele from us, you know that it's going to be right, and you know it's going to be looked at and checked by somebody that actually a musician and plays the ukulele. Now, another thing that we can offer is any kind of bonuses you need to add on. Besides just strap buttons, if you want a custom setup, if you want to get a pickup installed, we can do all that. But it's so easy as well to get a book from us, a ukulele book, a tuner, a capo, some extra strings, a case, a stand, whatever it is you need, we have it, and we have it very easy to add on. Plus, we have specials on all this stuff so much. So a lot of times when you buy, you can get a discounted case. We have specials on capos and tuners and all that kind of stuff as well, just at getting it at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Now, the other thing is I carry everything. So you want an entry level $30 ukulele, no problem. I got you covered. It still has the Uke Like the Pros Advantage. You're still going to get the chord chart. You're going to get the candy. You're going to get the cloths that we send out to wipe down. You're going to get the full inspection as well. And you're going to get access to ukelikethepros.com, where I'm going to help you teach you how to play this great instrument as well. So you get all that for this, a $30 instrument, $100, $200, $300, $400, 1,000, 2,000, 6,000, it doesn't matter. We carry all the brands, all the price ranges, and they all get the same treatment no matter what they are. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. What did you think? 5 reasons, or I guess the original question is, should I buy a ukulele on Amazon? And the answer is no, and I gave you 5 reasons for that. I gave you a solution, store.ukelikethepros.com, a great alternative to getting a ukulele, getting yourself on the journey. And like I said, we're going to help you not only get a ukulele, but I'm going to actually teach you how to play and get better as well. So anyway, thanks for all the support, the comments, the like button, all that kind of stuff. Don't forget, you can check me out on Instagram, instagram.com/ukelikethepros. You can check out our Patreon page, and of course, you can check out our store as well. So thanks for being here. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time.